Okay, just to be clear, this was one of the implicit differentiation questions I set. So with a curve C that's described by the equation 4x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y minus 10 equals 0. So we have to find the equation of the normal. Okay, so just remind you, if I have got a curve and there's a single point where a line touches it, okay, that is my tangent. Okay, the line that is perpendicular to that is the normal. Okay, and how do we find perpendicular lines? Well, the tangent, has an equation of m1. To find the perpendicular line, I have to do minus 1 divided by m1, and that gives me the gradient of the normal. Right, so let's have a look. So the first thing I have to do, I want to find the equation of normal, so I need to find the tangent. So let's find the tangent. Okay, so we have to differentiate this equation. So first one is just an x term. So that's just 8x. Okay, the next one is a y term. So now I do 2y dy by dx because I don't know in terms of x what this is. Right, now, next one. I've got 6x. That's just the next term. So that's 6. Then I'm taking away 8y. So I differentiate the y. That's 8y. Now I differentiate y with respect to x. That's dy by dx. And my constant becomes 0. So all of that is equal to 0. So that gets me to my basic differentiation. Now remember, we want to make dy by dx the subject. So now it tells me that I'm doing this at the point 1 equals 8. We said that if we can, we want to sub early. Okay, so what have we got? So we've got x equals 1 and y equals 8. So this equation becomes 8 times x, which is 8, plus 2 times y, so that's 16, dy by dx, plus 6, that's just a constant, minus 8 times dy by dx, and that's equal to 0. Right, okay. So let's just make it easier to rearrange. So I've got 16 lots of dy by dx, I'm taking away 8, so I've got 8 lots of dy by dx. That is equal to, I'm going to put the other side, okay, that's equal to, I'm going to take away 6, and I'm going to take away 8, so I'm taking away 14. Okay, so I've got 8 dy by dx is minus 14, so therefore dy by dx equals minus 14 over 8, which is minus 7 over 4. So that is the gradient of the normal. Now, the gradient, I said the gradient through the tangent. Now, the normal gradient is minus 1 over m1. So that's minus 1 over minus 7 over 4. Negative divided by negative, positive. So my gradient is 4 over 7. That's my normal gradient. Right now, the equation of the normal. Remember, basic thing, y minus y is y minus y1, m times x minus x1. So I've got y minus y1, which is 8, equals my gradient 4 over 7 times x minus my 1, because that was basically my x. Okay, so now all I have to do is expand out my brackets. So that equals 4 over 7x minus 4 over 7. Right, well, I've got denominators here, so let's multiply through by 7. So I've got 7y minus 8 times 7, which is 56, equals 4x minus 4. Now, it wants me to write this as ax plus by plus c. So I'm going to write this with my ax here. So I have got 4x. I'm going to take away the 7y minus 7y. And now I've got to add 56 to this. So I'm going to end up with plus 52. So 4x minus that plus that, 4x minus 7x plus 52. And I've got the equation of that, and for completeness, I'm going to write that a equals 4, my ax, b equals minus 7, because plus by, and c is obviously 52. And I'm done.